How to use Fashion Nova Klarna payment plan. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use the Klarna payment plan at Fashion Nova. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure to open up your Fashion Nova app onto your device. Then you want to make sure to go ahead and select the item and add it to your bag. So you could simply use this procedure at the checkout. So you want to go to the bag section. If you've already added a product, there comes the checkout page. Now once you do the checkout or once you go to the checkout page, what you need is you simply want to make sure to go ahead and look for these payment. And as per the payment plan, you have these PayPal options. You could either go with the PayPal, or you will be able to find the Klarna as your payment method. You could simply go with that, and this is how you're supposed to use Fashion Nova Klarna payment plan. Now Klarna typically offers a pay in 4 option, splitting your total into 4 interest free payment. So the first payment is charged when the order is shipped, and the remaining 3 payment are automatically charged to your linked debit or credit card. So this way you're supposed to use Fashion Nova Klarna payment plan. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.